Hello
Hello everyone,
everyone,
welcome back to our channel guys.
we Desi Ladies.
And today we are reviewing or giving you reviews on poetry book.
Yes, and it is I
Yeah,
Don't Love You Anymore by Hrithik Singh.
yeah, it's Ruth Singh if I'm not wrong. She is an influencer. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है उसके बारे में I have seen so many videos promoting this book, poetry book. So yeah, let's get into it. So this book is not traditional poetry book. It is more like an Instagrammable kind of book where you have seen so many Instagram poetry books, sorry, poetry channels or poetry accounts who post regularly about your daily life, your daily struggles, or daily something you feel, your heartbreak, your emotions. You know, they talk about this, and this really feels more like Instagrammable content rather than being a poetry like traditional poetry book where if you see Rumi's work, right, वो बहुत मेटाफोरिक होता है एंड आई लव मेटाफोरिक थिंग्स अ लॉट आई डोंट गो विद द simplest language if we talk about poetry, if we talk about it's just artistic.
Yeah,
I think
actually, I feel it's more, the poems were about like heartbreak
hmm,
and when you are not able to move on, like just आपका दिल you're not okay, you're not feeling well, like जैसे एक होता है ना रात को आप you're just
you're
lying
just
down,
overthinking.
overthinking and you're not able to get out of it or move out of it. So वो thoughts जो एक तरीके से आते हैं वो sort of क्योंकि जब मैं इसको पढ़ रही थी ना I felt there are somehow I could relate a bit. I won't say कि हाँ but थोड़ा बहुत एक रिलेशन लग रहा है कि कुछ तो है क्योंकि कभी कभी होता है इवन नॉट जस्ट इन रिलेशनशिप लाइक हस्बैंड वाइफ और गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड पर कभी फ्रेंडशिप में हो जाती हैं चीज़ें वे मतलब ना चाहते हुए भी यू और मैं अटक गई
अटक गया हे
Shit, yeah.
I totally agree with you that you can relate it. You can relate to these kind of quotes, but you can relate to the Instagram quotes as well,
Yeah, I do
right?
agree with that.
It's more like that. You know, it's not how it went. Like this book was going viral that time when I saw. I was like, okay, let's go because I really liked the cover. This cover बहुत अच्छा है इसका. It's very
Beautiful.
simple. It's very and he has chosen a very good font also. So good work with the cover. So I like the cover. I was like, okay, I'm going to buy this. And उस टाइम पे फिर मैंने उसको ले लिया. मुझे लगा it's just it's not a poetry book, but मैंने ले लिया उसको उस टाइम पे. फिर मैंने देखा I was like, oh, it's a poetry book. And I was like, okay, great. अब मैंने उसको जब पढ़ा तो I feel like okay, this is something जिसका बहुत गंदा वाला हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है और वो उसको पढ़ के रो सकता है. Which
Right.
I cry if something is more relatable. I can cry. मेरे फ़ोन में मैं कुछ देख लूँगी and I can cry with that.
एक्चुअली दिस बुक इज़ लाइक जैसे हम लोग क्या होता है इंस्टाग्राम पे स्क्रॉल करते रहते हैं कभी कभी होता है यू आर नॉट फीलिंग ओके यू जस्ट रीड एंड रीड कुछ एक आध कोट मिलते हैं दिस इज़ लाइक हियर यू गो यू वांट टू रीड यू वांट टू क्राई गो फॉर इट यू हैव अ होल पैकेज इन दिस तो ये उस तरीके की बुक है जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी यू माइट रिलेट टू इट येस आई डू एग्री विद हर कि वो थोड़ा इंस्टाग्रामेबल वाला लगता है कि हाँ कि मतलब ये चीज़ें हमने पढ़ी हुई हैं हम नेट में भी पढ़ लेते हैं इन चीज़ों को बट येस इट्स मोर लाइक ही हैज़ सम अप एवरीथिंग इन दिस बुक yes that
You
is
can
what
say that. Yeah. So this is it. I think you should go ahead and
Yes.
read this book by your own if you want to. If not, just find some account, poetry account, and read it. Much better.
and I
Same,
also
same.
want to share one more thing she recommended me this book and also she gifted me this book on my
Actually,
birthday
I was traumatized after buying this, so I wanted her to read also.
बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट कौन करता है भाई बर्थडे पे लाइक सीरियसली मतलब आगे पीछे भी ठीक है आई थॉट आई वाज लाइक
But you liked it, right?
yeah like
It was traumatizing for
my
me.
my first impression I don't love you anymore okay बर्थडे है मेरा चलो I'm like सीरियसली बट यस हाँ मुझे अच्छा लगा आई वुड नॉट से कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा बट यस
If I recommend something to you guys, to her, it has to be good, okay?
It is good,
Even
but
if I
yes.
don't like it, you guys will like it for sure.
हाँ, I did like it, but yes, मतलब वो इंस्टाग्राम वाला फील आया था कि मतलब ये मैंने पढ़े हुए हैं चीज़ें, बट ठीक है, आई फील बंदे ने मेहनत की है सारा एक साथ सम अप करके। अच्छा चलो, लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स शेयर आवर फेवरेट वंस। कुछ तो फेवरेट रहा होगा भाई।
Yeah, I don't know. I have to see. Let's see.
I think you told me, I think it was like page 87, I think.
Okay.
I think you showed it to me that कि यार ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था।
Okay, yes, correct. Okay. I थोड़ा सा फॉर्म में आ जाते हैं. Okay, तो बहुत बात पढ़ रही हूँ. I should stop. Okay. When the world doesn't want to love you, I hope you don't stand with the world. I love this line. Okay. Again, because I should not talk while reading this. Sorry. When the world doesn't want to love you, I hope you don't stand with the world. There's a jasmine flowers in your garden that bloom even on the days when you're not around, even when there's nobody present to appreciate them. Your mother wears her favorite sari even though your father never tells her that she looks pretty. The world can refuse to love you, but may you never stop being the first person who makes you smile.
That's beautiful.
That's why I loved it, because it resonated with me so much that because each day I have stopped loving myself the way I should, and I was insecure, I was feeling very down. Most of the time this happens, right? Then there sometimes you're just not feeling it, you're just, and if something goes wrong you feel like, oh, it's you know so I was feeling very down. I was like, okay, it's me, it is because of me. And I think one thing about me is, which I find it very best and amazing, is that I come out of that situation by my own. I don't need any other person to come and help me out with my emotions. So I feel like I'm good with my emotions, and that's why I love this one. Goes to you, Ritwik Singh.
Okay,
Yeah.
मेरी बारी. So I think I remember reading
60 something?
60 something.
67 or 68 maybe.
I think I did share it with you, right?
Mm.
Yes, this one. My heart is made of art. The poems may not make sense to you, but they will always make you feel something. Always. I was completely connected to this poem because कहीं ना कहीं I feel मेरे लिए ये बहुत सूटेबल है, क्योंकि लाइक एक ओवर थिंकर हूँ एंड इंट्रोवर्ट भी हूँ काफ़ी, तो कभी कभी क्या है, लोगों को शायद समझ में ना हो, बट वो एक इम्पैक्ट मुझे लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट मैं लोगों को छोड़ ही देती होंगी. वही चीज़ आर्ट के बारे में अगर आप सोचो इस चीज़ को, दैट आर्ट कई लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा कि हुआ क्या, बट वो एक इम्प्रेशन, एक इम्पैक्ट रह जाता है. सो कहीं ना कहीं इससे मुझे एक कनेक्टिविटी मिली थी इस पोएम को पढ़ के. सो येस, दिस वाज माय फेवरेट वन.
So overall, you can read this if you're feeling down, or if you don't want to, you have the phone, please use it correctly. I would not say it's a bad book, or it was not up to my expectations, which I feel it should be. If you are writing a poem, it has to be metaphorically correct, right? I can feel different feeling while reading the book. I should feel those emotions, that the feeling of every emotions. You know what I mean? Like a total, when I read Rumi's book or Rumi's poem, it make me feel so many emotions all together. So I think, yeah, you can read a book if you want to. He has done a great job with the simple words. You can easily understand, but not for me. It's not for me.
I think I would also say, like, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी it is for me as well, but yes, it can be that, एक जैसे कहते हैं ना कि जैसे बुक लवर्स के लिए होता है कि यार एक बुक पढ़नी है, रोज़ आप फील करो, सो दिस बुक कैन बी योर फ्रेंड फॉर दैट 3 AM. वो सॉर्ट ऑफ फीलिंग आ सकती है कि यार कुछ लो सा फील हो रहा है एंड यू नीड अ फ्रेंड. यू मे बी लाइक होता है ना कि कुछ इमोशंस बाहर निकल जाए, तो मे बी दिस बुक इज़ फॉर दैट कि यू नो आप उसको पढ़ के थोड़े इमोशनल हो सकते हैं, यू माइट यू नो फील कनेक्टेड टू इट। जैसे हमें कहीं ना कहीं एक एक पोएम के थ्रू, वैसे तो आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग कनेक्ट कर ही रहे थे क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम एज जैसे बोल ही रहे वो था, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं एक था कि हमने पढ़ी हुई हैं चीज़ें या देखी हुई है, बट कहीं ना कहीं है कि यू नो मे बी यू माइट लाइक सम, so definitely whoever wants to try this book, they can definitely try it out.
I'll
And
send this book to you guys. You tell me your favorites. I'll send this book only to you.
yes,
I don't need it.
I have this because she has gifted me. Okay guys.
Sorry guys, you have to buy it.
Yes.
खरीदो यार, खुद खरीद लो.
अब देखो भाई, आप लोगों के ऊपर, आपको खरीदनी है बुक तो आप खरीद सकते हैं, नहीं खरीदनी है तो भी
I
ठीक
think you
है।
can find it on online also.
Yes, Amazon
Online
and Flipkart में
platforms.
आपको सब जगह मिल जाएगा। So yes, do let us know if you have read this.
Yeah, and
book.
please share your experience.
Yes.
Am I the only one who's feeling this way, or there's कोई भी है ना, तो प्लीज़ आगे just लिख के चले जाओ your experience, your thoughts about this book, so we connect. You know what I mean? Just
एक
connect.
कनेक्शन बनाने के लिए तो हम लोग यू नो शेयर कर सकते हैं कि ये बुक अच्छी लगी या इसका ये अच्छा लगा, मे बी अगर आपने कोई इसमें से पढ़ी है तो इसमें से आप अच्छी थी। सो डू लेट अस नो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड यू ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड अस ऑन
Instagram
yes
with AC Ladies.
you.
See you in the next video.
Stay sane, stay healthy.
Stay insane and just kill it. Become rich. Be millionaire like me. See you in the next video. Bye.